We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll see a login or sign up option. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your credentials. If not, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the ChatGPT interface. You can start by entering a question or a prompt into the chat box at the bottom of the page. Press Enter or click the Send button to receive a response generated by ChatGPT. You can ask anything from general knowledge questions to specific advice or creative writing prompts. The key to getting the best responses is to be as clear and specific as possible with your queries. If you're not satisfied with an answer, you can refine your question or ask for more details. You can also use the Regenerate Response button if you want a different take on the same question. Remember that ChatGPT can handle follow-up questions and maintain context within the same chat session. If you want to start a fresh conversation, simply click the TP button on the left sidebar. This will clear the current chat and give you a blank slate to begin again. As you explore, you'll find that ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can assist with a wide range of topics. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.